I welcome you all to Safubafu's TV. Today we are going to learn how to make burger buns. Hamburger originated from Germany or United States? No, stop that fight. The most important thing is we are going to prepare hamburger buns. Objects in mirror are always closer than they appear, so always be attentive, be watchful. Hamburger, some people also call it junk food. Eating it once a while is not a problem, but eating it every day as your daily bread is going to make you obese. Now let's get started in preparing the hamburger. You need your half glass of milk, half glass of water. Then you need your 2 teaspoons of sugar. After that, add your yeast. The yeast, I added 1.5 teaspoon. Behind the scene, I added half teaspoon again. I added 1 egg. Stir everything together. After stirring everything, add little salt. After adding the little salt, we are going to add the flour gradually. Add little flour and then stir it. Continue to add it till you get the right texture. This one we are using our imagination measurement. So after mixing everything together, put it in a warm place. If the weather is very cold in your country, put it in oven. Don't switch on the oven. Just put it in the oven. Or you can warm the oven first and put it inside. After double in size, which takes about 1 hour or 40 minutes, depending on the weather or the amount of yeast inside the buns. So after it has been doubled in size, the dough, knead it and then begin to mold it in any shape of your choice. Normally, buns are rounded in shape, circular in shape, but that is not the 10 Commandment rule. You can change it. It is only the 10 Commandments that you cannot change. But making buns, you can change it to your own rules. Add sesame seed. It is an option. After that, preheat the oven. Bake it, roast it, total it at 150 or 160 degrees Celsius. Wow, happy good. Remember, objects in mirror are closer than they appear. If you attempt it on the first day, never be discouraged. Continue practicing it. Never give up. You are going to be perfect like Safubafu. No one was perfect on the first day. Continue practicing it will make you perfect. I like dancing and eating at the same time when eating Biggie Burn because I want to burn all the high cholesterol in it. If today is your first time, please like, subscribe, like, and comment. If God willing, we shall meet again. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.